Hi, kumusta? Or how are you? My name is JC and I'm from the Pearl of the Orient Seas, the Philippines. I am a graduating student taking up Bachelor of Science, major in Mechanical Engineering. But teaching is my passion too. I help students from ages 5 to adults and from beginner to advanced level just to learn English and Tagalog. With me as your tutor, we will be having attractive and interactive lessons tailored to meet your goals. We will have different activities so it doesn't feel like much at school. It will be fun and interesting. So here's what gonna happen when you sign up for a trial lesson with me. First, we will test your proficiency level so that we know where to start. Next, we're going to have a free talk so that I can get to know you more and to know how I can make the appropriate lesson for you to quickly achieve your goal. And from there, we will just keep learning while having fun. I will teach you how to speak like a native. In my class, you don't have to be afraid of making mistakes because that is the part of the learning process. You can ask me as many questions as you want. And one thing is for sure, I will give you the quality of learning that you deserve. So if you still have any questions, perhaps you need help working out your schedule, we can discuss this during the trial lesson. So book your trial lesson now and let's get you started. I'll see you in my class. Goodbye!